A very good Monday night, everybody. Thanks for stopping by for your Aggieland Carpet One forecast. Hey, overnight tonight, we're going to monitor the potential for not just one, but two rounds of rain and thunderstorms in the Brazos Valley. And as we sleep tonight, that could lead to some strong and maybe even severe weather. So what are we looking at? This won't be for everybody. It's not going to be every thunderstorm, but winds in excess of 40 to 60 miles per hour, especially on the severe side of things. It's going to be in that higher criteria. Could be possible overnight and then especially tomorrow morning. Not completely out of the question that a brief isolated tornado threat may exist as well. And then we have the potential for that flooding overnight, anywhere from about 1 to 3 inches of rain here in the area. So let me show you your pinpoint forecast. Let me show you why we're tracking two rounds of thunderstorms, one of which comes through during the overnight hours. Here we are at 2 o'clock in the morning, moving in from the southwest, pushing up towards the northeast. You see those areas of yellows and reds. That's going to be where we find some of the stronger activity, some of which may be severe. This potential would be the damaging winds and maybe even that brief isolated tornado threat. That should be moving out by 6. Some of us find a brief lull in the rain. And then a cold front heads our way, and along and ahead of it is a line of rain and thunderstorms by 8 o'clock northern counties, by 8 and 10 o'clock in the central portions of the Brazos Valley, including Bryan and College Station. Once the front passes by, there could be some lingering rain, but the severe weather threat is staying ahead of it. So the severe weather threat is over once you feel cooler air. That moves closer to lunchtime into our southeastern counties, and then the rain should be moving out of the Brazos Valley by middle to late afternoon, and maybe even some sunshine returning to the area. The other big thing about this cold front, other than the potential for some stormy conditions and some very heavy rain, temperatures should be falling pretty well. In fact, we may even make it down to the mid-50s once the front comes through, and if we can get some sunshine back, that could push us back into the 60s by the afternoon hours. Rest of your week is looking pretty good, upper 60s to low 70s after some very chilly mornings. Another cold front comes in Saturday. This one's worth watching as well because it may once again tank temperatures through the day on Saturday. More on that later in the week, but for now, we'll continue to monitor and update things very closely. Latest details we found at kbtx.com, here on Facebook and Twitter through the night. We're not going anywhere. We'll continue to monitor the situation for you, and as things kind of start rumbling on through here, if need be, we'll get you the details online and on air, and of course, over at during our shows. Another update tonight at 10 o'clock. We'll get you the latest there. Meteorologist Natalie Ferrari and Max Crawford will both be in for Brazos Valley this morning, tomorrow morning.